Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect fall tote bag? This one from Rungion has beautiful fall colors and holds everything that I need all in one spot. This is a great fall tote bag. I really like it because it's made out of a very durable canvas and the hardware details are amazing. I really love the colors that they chose in their array of bags. The one I opted for is made out of rust browns and greens, as well as the really cute striped handle. The vegan leather complements the canvas bag perfectly, and it has lots of great hardware detailing that really makes this bag unique. I love the closure at the top because I tend to be out shopping, have my bag on my shoulder, and forget that it's open. So that's a great safety feature. The inside of the bag is very roomy. Even though it does not have a lot of pockets, I find that because the bag is so structured, it really lets me find anything that I need very quickly and easily. I love that this bag has an option of carrying it just by the handles and shortening the shoulder strap, or you can put it as a messenger bag. And again, because it's so well structured, it holds very, very easily in whatever option that I choose. This is a great fashionable choice for fall. I would highly recommend it. They have beautiful colors. And if you're looking for a bag that will really let you carry everything with you, this is the way to go. And that's my point of view.